Hello students, 9th Standard English 4.1 What is Success English Workshop. इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप सुरू करण्यापूर्वी जर तुम्ही नवीन असाल चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकन दाबा. नमस्कार, माझं नाव आहे सपना टीचर. क्वेश्चन 1 आहे टेक द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह. तर इथे तुम्हाला 4 प्रत्येकाला ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह दिलेले आहेत. द पोएट सेज दॅट सक्सेस इज to laugh less, work more, to laugh never at all, to laugh often and much, to laugh less and low. Uttare, the poet says that success is to laugh often and much. Second question is the poet wants us to earn a lot of money, earn profit, earn property, earn the appreciation of honest critics. Uttare, earns the appreciation of honest critics. Third question is the poet wants us to appreciate riches, God, beauty and society. Right answer is beauty. Question 4. The poet wants us to leave the world a bit better, broader or bared. तो उत्तर है better. Compare this poem with Walk a Little Slower and fill in the chart. तर तुम्हाला ही poem with Walk a Little Slower आपण compare करूया. Does it have rhyming words? So yes. What is success मध्ये नाहीये. Does it have steady rhythm? तर Walk a Little Slower मध्ये आहे पण what is success मध्ये नाही. Are the lines of equal length? Yes. And what is success मध्ये नाहीये. Are these stanzas with the equal number of lines? Yes. Walk a Little Slower ला आहे पण what is success ला नाही. The poem What is Success is an example of a free verse. Question 3. Based on the poet's idea of a true success, think of 4 people in your surrounding, your family, neighbors, friends, teachers, classmates, etc., who have achieved true success. Right and short with what makes them successful. आपण आता 4 लोकांबद्दल लिहूयात. नावं तुम्ही वेगळी लिहू शकता. Answer आहे according to the poet's idea of true success, I think I have 4 successful people around me. From my family, my mother is a truly successful person. She always laughs and happy and spread joy. She has created a beautiful garden around our house and lives a peaceful life. She has discovered herself and follows her own choices. From my friend, Ravindra is a successful lawyer. He has made a positive impact on his family members. He is hardworking and helpful. He is a role model for many students. My neighbor Sharanya is a successful person. She has won a national medal in weightlifting. She lives her life confidently and independently. She is one of the happiest person I know. From my teacher's who teacher is a talented and kind person. She has won many awards in the field of art. She teaches very nicely and has beautifully decorated her school. She always helps poor students in their studies. According to me, all these people are truly successful because they live happily, help others and follow their dreams. Question 4 आहे. List all the 2 infinitive verbs from used to poem. Infinitive म्हणजे ज्या क्रियापदाचं मूळ रूप आणि त्याला टू आहे, जसं की टू लाफ, टू विन, टू अर्न, टू ॲप्रिशिएट, टू फाइंड, टू लिव्ह, टू नो आणि टू हॅव. क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला दिला नेक्स्ट 5. In your opinion, what thing will help to make the world a better place? Discuss with your friends and write down at least 3 of things. Answer, in my opinion, follows things that will help to make the world a better place. Equality, non-violence, education for all children, food for everyone for every day, love and affection for society. Question 6. Think of different types of people who have to face great difficulties. Write what you can do to help at least one of them. Answer, in a society, lot of people face great difficulties. Poor, handicapped, old people, orphan children, they have great difficulty in their life. I can help orphan children to provide them stationery, clothes, and books. I will try to raise funds for them. Question 7. Prepare a set of questions to interview a famous author. Tell us something about your new book. Second, what is the storyline of your new book? What are your future projects? Who is your favorite author? What inspire you most? What message would you like to give to your readers? A well-known social worker in your area. त्यासाठी प्रश्नावली. Why did you go into social work? What do you hope to accomplish as a social worker? How do you balance your work and personal life? What is your opinion on dropout children? 5. Do you like to work here? 6. What is your plan to develop our area? 7. What is your greatest strength? 8. Are there any social problems that the people in this area facing? 9. Is there any message that you would like to give to the citizens of this area? See, so these all are questions and we have given the answers. आपली उत्तरं इथे मिळाली प्रत्येक प्रश्नांची. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.